Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn aromatic compounds with their common names. Okay. So and functional groups. Example is benzene. So first we have to know about aromatic compounds. So what is aromatic compounds? So aromatic compounds are best example for benzene. So aroma, the term was, so aroma means which compounds give pleasant smell. So pleasant smell means which is gives a good smell for us. So these are aromatic. So compounds are so benzene are the best example for aromatic compounds. So and we see with today with best examples on functional groups. So we for suppose example here benzene is there. So okay, example for benzene formula is C6H6. So for suppose benzene in the place of ortho para meta position, so we add any functional groups, so what we call as that is a common name. Okay, so how to calling as common names today we are saying. So example is benzene for the aromatic compounds. So benzene is first now see the characteristic features of benzene. So benzene is hexagonal in shape, so it is a cyclic, okay, cyclic, planar and conjugation and alternating double bonds here. So and how many pi bonds are there? Fifth bond means sigma bonds are there here. So 6 electrons are present, and next it going to be conjugation with the alternating double bonds. So benzene is a high degree of unsaturation, so it is readily react with hydrogens, and saturated compounds do not, okay, because of does not unsaturation means a high degree of unsaturation. So is a benzene example for the aromatic compounds. So today we are going to see some functional groups about aromatic compounds. So now we have to see what they are. So here some functional groups are I was wrote. So first one is methyl group. So if it is methyl groups attached on the benzene ring, so what happened? And next nitrogen. Next it is alkene group and the NH2 group. So methoxy group and carboxylic group, aldehyde, formaldehyde, and ester, ketone, and this is also aldehyde formula. Next step sulfonic and halogen groups. So if they are attached on benzene ring, so what happen and what we calling as name, other name. So it is also alkyne. So two methyl groups attached to benzene, so what happened here, and sulfonyl group and Hindenburg test. So the best example, this is a reagent for using Hindenburg test. Is a very important for the foundation of means finding of secondary and primary tertiary amines to detect the particular name. Okay, so here now see the with examples. For suppose it is attached to on benzene ring, so what happened here today see. So for example, so now we take example benzene ring. So this is a benzene structure of benzene here. Okay, so if it is any functional group is added to, it means substitute to the particular para position, so we calling as this is a methyl benzene. Okay, methyl benzene, or another name is what, so also called as toluene. Okay, if it is methyl group is added or attached on benzene ring, calling as toluene or methyl benzene. So next if benzene ring on so NO2 group is there, nitrobenzene. Okay, nitrobenzene. And if it is benzene on the presence of aniline, so this is the aniline. NH2 group is present on benzene ring, or aminobenzene or aniline. These are the very important common names to know in organic chemistry, so about aromatic compounds. So these are the aromatic compounds. Next see in benzene ring, sulfonyl group, sulfonic acid, benzene sulfonic acid. This is benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, BSA in the shortcut form. Next benzene ring on attached to alkyl group is a styrene formula. So styrene gas. So styrene gas is a dangerous gas for the poly formation of polymerization in. So recently it will be happen like this. So many people are die for this gas. Okay, styrene gas. And next benzene ring here, here benzene. So we add some functional group. So formaldehyde means aldehyde group and formaldehyde group, benzoformaldehyde and benzaldehyde. Okay, benzaldehyde. Next, if benzene on carboxylic group is there and diazonium chloride. Okay, so benzene diazonium chloride here, and next benzoic acid. Okay, benzoic acid. If his carboxylic group is attached on benzene ring, and so diazonium chloride is attached on benzene ring, so benzene diazonium chloride and benzoic acid. So these are the common names. Okay, about aromatic compounds, common names here. And next, if benzene ring on 6 methyl group are here. Okay, here also 6 methyl group is there, CH3 hexamethyl benzene or hexamethyl benzene. Okay, hexamethyl benzene, they're very important. So next, benzene ring on 2 methyl group is there, is a metaxylene. Okay, metaxylene, this is a xylene formula. Okay, next, if benzene on benzene ring, here one and here one, so this is a orthoxylene. Okay, orthoxylene, this is a formula of xylene. And next, paraxylene. So if 2 methyl groups is on para position, we calling as paraxylene. And next, we have to see some means heterocyclic compounds here. So heterocyclic compounds means heterocyclic compounds are the compounds so which may there are different groups on some cyclic form. Okay, so here pentagonal shape means so if it oxygen group is attached on here cyclic form means pentagonal, or this is calling as furan. Okay, furan. These are all aromatic because of these are lone pairs. Lone pairs are going to be conjugation. So which are the lone pairs are going to be conjugation? They are definitely aromatic compounds. Okay, aromatic, here the odd number is there, so they are aromatic compounds. Next, so these are 3 examples for the heterocyclic compounds. Thiophene also, thiophene and pyridine. So these are the best example for heterocyclic compounds. Okay, so these are all going to be conjugation, that's why they are furan, thiophenes and pyridine or aromatic compounds. Okay, these are the example of common name about aromatic compounds. So, and next one is if on benzene ring phenyl group is there, phenyl benzene or ol, this is another name. Next, phenol, if a hydroxy group is attached on benzene ring, so we calling as phenol. Okay, phenol. So these are different, and so these are the common names about benzene. If it is halogen group is there, like chlorine, bromine, iodine, so iodobenzene and chlorobenzene and bromobenzene, these are the common substitute on the benzene ring, so we calling as aromatic compounds. So now today we are saying about aromatic compounds. The halogen is group attached on benzene ring, so chlorobenzene. Next, alcohol is attached on benzene, so phenol. Okay, phenol. So today we are seeing this, and heterocyclic compounds example furan and thiophenes and pyrimidine. Next, pyridine. And next, 2 methyl group is attached on para position here, so paraxylene. And 2 methyl groups are attached on meta position is ortho position, we calling as orthoxylene. And 2 methyl groups are attached on meta position, we calling as metaxylene. Next, so 6 methyl group is attached on benzene ring, so hexamethyl benzene, so hexamethyl benzene. Next if hydroxy means carboxy group attached on benzene thing, so benzoic acid. So these are very easy to know it on organic compounds about aromatic, so which is aromatic. Next benzene diazonium chloride, this is, and benzene formaldehyde, benzaldehyde. Okay, next is benzene sulfonic acid, styrene gas, this is a very dangerous gas. So and next is the nitrobenzene, aniline or aminobenzene. Next is the toluene, okay, methyl benzene or ethyl benzene. In the place of CH3 we put a C2H5, okay, means C2 C1 to C10. so this is the toluene structures. Okay, so this is a sulfonyl group, is a very important reagent to detect primary and secondary amine with help of this. So here for example benzene is reactive with the sulfonyl group, so HCl is removed, and next sulfonic benzene sulfonic acid will be formed and takes place in Hinsberg test. Okay, so if 2 methyl groups are attached here, and this is the alkyne, means alkyne group. Okay, these are the aromatic compounds and functional groups, very important. Methyl group, nitrobenzene we are seeing today, and aldehyde, ketone, next ester, ethers, and formaldehyde, aldehyde. So formaldehyde is used to be to preservation of some means other organisms on the lab, in lab. Okay, so next is the aniline group and styrene and nitrogen groups are we are seeing today. So examples, for the best example for benzene here, high degree of unsaturation, more stable compounds is a benzene, so it gives some pleasant smell, that is the aromatic compounds. Okay, aromatic compounds, so aroma, it gives pleasant smell, and certain all the pickles have some pleasant smell. Okay, that is the aromatic compounds we are knowing, like, and next common names we are seeing today, so compounds, benzene. So these are today's section guys, so it is very important to detect common names and aromatic compounds. So finally I hope all of you are understanding well about this aromatic compounds. Okay, this is very easy to naming of or substitute added to benzene, so it is very easy to name it of particular compounds. Okay, these are the very important compounds and functional groups also. So thank you, and finally do subscribe my channel and for more updating videos. Thank you guys.